besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are totally opposites. Today is the day of Allure.
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 Allure, allure. This box is not normally this color.
It is not. That's why I'm like, did we get a specialty box this month? Or what's going on here? Hi.
So the first item you chose, the shade. This is from Half Magic. It's an eyeshadow single.
Oh,
and
yes.
you got the shade Jigglypuff?
Tickle Pickle?
Tickle Spell.
Oh.
They did change the book a little bit. This retails for $15.
Oh. This does?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got Tickle Pickle? That's recycled cardboard. That I did not. I expected plastic.
I did too. This is $15.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is itty bitty.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty.
It is pretty, I think. Oh yeah. Ooh, bronze.
Oh, perfect for August.
Ooh.
Okay.
This is a topper situation, I think.
Not a lot of actual pigment there, but very sparkle, very pretty.
I think this will be fun for like a one and done, no makeup kind of.
Just doing something simple for the day.
Yes. I think it's beautiful.
Or on top of like a brown smoky situation.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's a beautiful gold bronze.
It's a little bit chunky.
Is it, you think?
Yeah. Just a little. Not so much that I think you're going to get a lot of fallout though.
No. Oh gosh, I think it's gorgeous. I'm a little bit confused about
the packaging, the price,
and where the $15 for this one shade is coming from.
Someone's pocketbook. Okay. This is from Medic 8. Medicaid.
Ooh, Medicaid?
Medicate. Liquid Peptides. This retails for $68.
I better not use a shiv.
After cleansing, massage a few pumps into your skin morning and night before applying moisturizer. So this is like a
booster.
Yeah, booster serum type situation. This powerhouse serum is made with a whopping 10 different variations of peptides, along with hydrating hyaluronic acid to smooth fine lines and plump skin. No needles required.
I think that is wonderful information.
$68.
Wow. So, okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's hope so.
The box is $29, by the way.
Yes, sorry. We did kind of
always
just
forget to say that. Peek.
Sorry.
This is from Aether Beauty.
Oh, okay.
This is the Comeback Mascara.
Aether Beauty?
Yeah.
The one that went out of business? Okay.
This retails for $28. It's a Comeback Mascara. They're back.
Oh! Okay. Hello.
After curling your lashes, hold the wand at the base of your lash line and wiggle it upward from root to tip. Repeat until you reach your desired look. So they're saying it's buildable. They found that the first coat delivers length and definition, while the second boosts volume and drama.
Perfect.
And I'm sure it's in the color black.
So that's the wand. I think I definitely am interested in that wand because it's big, fat, and fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I love.
That's what you love.
Yeah.
$28.
Okay.
So it's not drugstore.
Not at all. Double.
This is Dr. Brid C Barrier Defense Basic Cream. This K-Beauty cream combines cotyledon ceramides, calming niacinamide, and hydrating squalene to soothe skin and help lock in moisture before dryness, tightness, and irritation develop.
Okay.
This retails for $19.
Oh, okay, that's
$19.99.
very cost efficient.
Yeah.
I like it. Is that the word? Cost efficient? Yeah. Affordable. Let's say affordable.
It's not very big though.
This is, I like it because you can put it on and then it sits down.
Yeah. Is it a squirter or is there a pump under there? Oh, it's a squirt.
It's a squirt.
It's a little tube squirt.
Little squirt job.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna like this.
This is a cream.
But how come it's so little?
This is a little face cream.
This isn't a sample?
No. Right? Is it 20 mils? Let me see that. Yeah, no, that's $20.
This is a week's worth of cream.
Bring it on vacation.
Okay. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that it's not
as big as it could be for that price.
Yeah. Whatever.
This is from Teleties. This is their flat hair clip. This retails for $12.99 to $14.99 depending on if you have medium or large.
What do I have?
I don't know. Coconut. It's coconut white colored. $12.99. So it must be the medium. It's a hair clip.
No.
I mean, it is.
I don't like it.
It's not a hair clip that you'll use.
Never. I don't like this.
Last month they sent you hair ties.
Oh.
They're still sitting here.
Yes.
I mean, if you had wanted to use a clip like that.
How do you put it in your hair? Like, what are you doing with that?
You want me to demonstrate?
Okay. We'll get a demonstration. I just don't understand is it holding something up? Or is it holding something together? That's ugly.
I didn't say it was pretty. It's functional.
It's ugly. It is ugly.
I'll take that back. Put it in your hair.
No.
You have one more item.
Oh, good.
You're gonna love this one too.
Oh, no.
This is from Commodity. You got milk or juice? You got juice.
Oh, it's perfume.
Yeah.
You like this brand.
I do like this brand. This retails for $17. It's a travel.
Oh, it's an itty bitty. Okay. So, can you give me some notes on this before? Because, you know.
Juice?
Juice.
Expressive. A bright fruit-forward scent, strawberry and raspberry with a playful streak.
Yes. What's milk?
A warm and cozy blend of marshmallow and tonka bean.
I would have been safe either way, I think.
You wouldn't like the milk.
No?
No. I don't know if you're going to like the juice.
Oh, yes, I will. Oh, I do like that. It's fruit and floral combination.
It's very strong.
Oh, I think that's beautiful.
It is expressive. So Commodity, all of their things are named, all their fragrances are named after commodities. So milk, gold, grass, wheat, like.
What's a commodity?
Milk.
Oh,
Juice.
okay.
Things that get sold for money. So,
Groceries?
kind of, yeah.
Okay.
But like generalized. Like milk.
Cereal?
Yeah. And then they have different levels of scent. So it might say on this. So this says scent space expressive. So this is for me and the many around me. So that means this is a fragrant, stronger scent. And you can also get them in that are like personal, where like just I can smell it, or just me and my lover can smell it. That's how they do their brands. So this scent is juice and it's expressive. So it's meant to be a little bit strong and wear a little bit longer. And be that person that walks through the crowd and everyone goes, someone smells nice.
So my thing is like, why wouldn't you want everyone around you to smell your perfume? Isn't that the thing with perfume is like...
But if it's date night,
yeah.
maybe
Sorry.
you want just your husband to smell you.
Okay.
Hmm.
I mean, if
new
you
to
were perfume,
if you were going to get a commodity scent, that was probably the right one.
okay, but this is not going to be like a line that I typically am going to enjoy.
No, I can't find the box of perfume.
Oh, I understand. There's a million boxes.
When I find the box of perfume, I'll let you smell some others. I might have milk upstairs,
Okay.
but yeah, I know a lot of them are lean a little more masculine.
Oh, I don't like that.
Like even that is fruity, but it's not super feminine.
No, it's not. It's not.
I think they're meant to be unisex.
Oh,
But I can't say
that's
for
kind of
sure.
cool.
Yeah. I mean,
It's getting more florally and it's getting away from fruits.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So, $29. How are you feeling?
I don't like this. And this is the second month in a row we've gotten hair stuff that I didn't
Yeah.
like.
I'm not excited for that trend.
This is the eyeshadow is surprisingly pretty. I don't understand the packaging
Or the pricing.
or the pricing. This, I feel like this is small for the price.
Mm-hmm.
Unless it's got, oh, it is Korean.
Yeah, it's K-Beauty.
And I'm wondering, there must be good stuff in it. There's a special offer situation. I don't know what it is. I probably just gave everybody a freebie. There you go.
It says on it.
Oh,
It doesn't say.
oh,
It does say limit one per customer.
perfect. So whoever gets it first, congratulations.
Yeah.
Um,
Or maybe you can only use that code once per person.
oh. This is a brand that made a comeback apparently. Ether. I'm gonna try this and the perfume for probably Kaylee's wedding just to see if I can, if I'm feeling it. And this sounds interesting. So,
It was a good box.
I'm incredibly underwhelmed by this box.
I think this box is kind of fun.
Okay, tell me what you think.
The eyeshadow's beautiful, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's exciting to see a brand come back. Mascara is always a good item.
Yes.
You got a fun, fruity perfume.
Yes.
You got a interesting new serum to try. You got a stupid hair clip. If you take that away,
It's better without the hair thing, but it really bothers
this
me.
is kind of a stupid clip.
What is that? For your 80s night, maybe?
Oh, for doing like a side pony type of stitch?
Maybe. Maybe you'll wear it at the new murder mystery for your pimps and hoes.
Look, I look like the girl from Napoleon Dynamite when I put my hair like this.
You sure do.
Right.
No, it's ugly. I can't even take this home with me.
Don't leave it here.
Well,
I'll give it to the little one.
Yeah, give it to the little baby. Yeah, the box was... The last couple boxes I've kind of felt underwhelmed by. And I don't know if it's the hair stuff that's doing it to me.
I think it is.
But once you start messing in hair things, and especially the ones that we don't quite understand, I lose interest. Things that we don't quite understand.
Yeah, those are weird hair ties. Let me see if this gives tips on how to wear it.
How you'll use it.
Reimagines the trendy hair accessory with a flat back design that sits snugly against your head while still keeping strands securely in place. Twist your hair up and secure with the flexible teeth. Are they flexible?
No.
No.
We don't like you.
You can't sit with us.
No.
Otherwise, this box was good.
It was fine.
Were you excited to get a haircut this month? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.